And we have the shin on top of the bicep here, okay? Now I try to control this arm, push his wrist on the mat, put my weight on my right knee, okay? Otherwise my left leg is too heavy. And now it's pretty easy to just make a step over his arm, yeah? Lift his arm up and get your knee back on the mat again, yeah? Put your weight on your right knee. From here, push the left wrist down, step over. We are here, grab Kimura again. Now when I fall, I slice my knee under his head. And now I lock my legs like this. So my top leg under my bottom leg. And now from here, the shoulder is out. And I start to squeeze. Build up the pressure. If it's not tight enough, stretch your leg, squeeze your legs and fall back. And there it's super tight. Stepping. Okay, I don't want that, so what I'm doing is this. I'm bridging. I scoop around the leg. With my right leg, I step over like this. Okay? The more I retract my right leg here, the more the triangle will open. Now I can use my free hand here. This hand is stuck, guys, so I cannot use it. This is my free hand to open up his legs, get my head free. And then from here you have to defend the Kimura. That's something else, but we're out of the triangle. Okay? So one arm is stuck and that's my left arm, yeah? With my free hand, I cannot just reach the ankle because I'm flat on my back. What I have to do is I have to bridge and get on my shoulders here. And then from here, I can put my elbow on the mat, scoop under the leg, try to catch, pull. Do it careful, guys, because there's tension on his knee. Pull the leg carefully down. I open up with some space here and I can slip my head. And later you can also slip the elbow to defend the Kimura.